In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, the human mind stands at the precipice of transformation. Emerging advancements in artificial intelligence and neurotechnology hold the promise to fundamentally change how we think, learn, and interact with our surroundings. As we explore breakthroughs anticipated in August 2025, we glimpse a future where memory enhancement, creativity stimulation, and altered perceptions of reality redefine our cognitive experiences. The exciting possibilities are as exhilarating as they are daunting, as we ponder whether our brains are ready for this impending revolution. Imagine a world infused with brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, heralding a new era of cognitive enhancement. These innovative devices have the potential to augment memory recall and streamline learning processes, tailoring educational experiences to fit individual cognitive profiles. This personalization is akin to having a digital doppelganger of our minds, capable of preserving thoughts and memories, offering insights into our mental landscapes. However, with such advancements arise profound inquiries regarding identity and the essence of consciousness. Are we still ourselves when our minds can be mapped and modified? Neural enhancement is pushing beyond the traditional boundaries of human capabilities, linking biology with cutting-edge technology. Neuroprosthetics are revolutionizing sensory perception and motor control, offering pathways to restore and even amplify lost functions. Concurrently, the introduction of pharmacological innovations in smart drugs aims to elevate focus and hasten cognitive processing. Yet the debate regarding the ethics of these enhancements surfaces, igniting discussions surrounding what defines natural intelligence and urging us to consider the implications of altering our mental faculties. As the line between the digital and physical realms continues to blur, immersive technologies like virtual and augmented reality reshape our perceptions of self and space. With advancements in haptic feedback and neural integration, digital experiences may soon become indistinguishable from physical ones, leading to mesmerizing new forms of interaction. Pioneering concepts such as neurotech-driven dream manipulation provide insights into the subconscious, paving the way for a reality where thoughts can be sculpted while we sleep. Balancing human intuition with the computational prowess of AI requires navigating the intricacies of this budding relationship. While the potential for cognitive overload looms with an ever-connected digital landscape, strategies for preserving mental well-being and nurturing critical thinking emerge as vital skills for this new epoch. As we approach a future where human intelligence embodies elements of both biological and artificial origins, shaping ethical guidelines becomes imperative, ensuring that technology enhances rather than diminishes our humanity.